Today I'm going to show you how to make homemade chicken tikka masala that's extremely delicious and very easy to make. It's a great side dish for sourdough naan bread. Or is it the other way around? Hi, I'm Sune and I'm a food geek. Today I'm going to show you how to make the British dish chicken tikka masala. British, I hear you say? Yes, there's actually no tikka masala dish in Indian cuisine. There's a few different stories about how chicken tikka masala came to be, and the most memorable story goes something like this. A guy comes into a restaurant and orders a chicken curry. It's served to him, but he sends it back for being too dry. So the chef improvises and adds some tomato soup and some additional spices. The guy loves it so much that him and his friends keep coming back to get it, so the restaurant puts it on the menu. Who knows what the actual truth is, but it's an interesting story. If you're new to this channel, I bake a lot of sourdough bread and I make delicious food from all over the world. I'm on a quest to get the most out of every ingredient, and my goal is to teach you how to do that in simple and understandable steps. So join me by subscribing and ringing the bell so you won't miss any future videos. So this dish is really easy to make. The hardest part is the tikka masala paste, which I'm going to show you how to make. But if you're in a hurry or maybe you're just lazy, I don't judge. You can use a finished paste, like this one. I've linked this one in the description, which is the one that I use when I'm feeling lazy. It's not as good as the homemade stuff, but it's pretty good. The dish is a little bit on the spicy side, but you can adjust that yourself by adding fewer fresh chilies. It's super easy. Let's get started. The written recipe, the ingredients, and the amounts are linked in the card above. First, make the tikka masala spice paste that will be used in the dish later on. Heat a cast iron pan to low heat and add 1 tablespoon of cayenne pepper, 1 tablespoon of smoked paprika, 2 tablespoons of garam masala, 1 tablespoon of cumin seeds, 1 tablespoon of coriander seeds, and 1 teaspoon of kosher salt. Toast the spices until they smell fragrant and then add them to a bowl to cool off. Peel a good-sized piece of ginger. Then chop it. Then slice 2 fresh chilies in smaller pieces. And peel and chop 2 cloves of garlic. Add the spices to a mortar. Use the pestle to grind everything down to a fine powder. To a mini chopper, add the prepared aromatics. Add 2 tablespoons of neutral oil of your choice. Then add the spice blend. And a good handful of fresh coriander or cilantro, depending on where you're from. Here you see me forgetting to add 2 tablespoons of concentrated tomato paste, which I'm adding after I finished filming this. This also means that I had to add more oil to make it run, but you can probably do without the extra oil. Reserve the mixture until you make the dish. It's fine on the kitchen counter if you make the dish within a few hours. Then we're going to marinate the meat. First, cut 400 grams or 14 ounces of bone-out chicken thigh into bite-sized pieces. Then add them to a Ziploc bag. Add the juice of 1 lemon to 60 grams or 1/4 cup of plain yogurt. Then add 2 tablespoons of neutral oil. Crush a clove of garlic into the yogurt and mix it well. Pour the marinade into the bag. Massage the bag so that the marinade gets well distributed on all the chicken pieces. Put into the fridge. Overnight is better, but at least half an hour. We'll also make a quick raita, which is an Indian yogurt-based cold sauce. Mix 60 grams or 1/4 cup of plain yogurt with a teaspoon of ground cumin, the juice of 1 lemon, mix it well. Then season it with salt and pepper to taste. Mix and refrigerate until needed. Now it's time to make the dish. Peel a thumb-sized piece of ginger and chop it finely. Peel and chop 1 large onion. Peel 3 cloves of garlic and crush them into the other aromatics. Then slice 2 fresh chilies finely and add them to a bowl. Heat a skillet to medium heat and add oil. Sweat the ginger, garlic, and onion until soft. Once they're soft, turn up the heat to high and brown the marinated chicken. Then add the tikka masala paste. A can of tomatoes. And 1.5 deciliters or 2/3 cup of water. If using whole canned tomatoes, chop the tomatoes with your spatula. Mix to combine. Turn down the heat to medium and let the dish simmer under a lid for about 15 minutes. Then uncover and let the sauce thicken for about 20 minutes. This is a great time to turn on the oven and heat the naan, boil the rice if you want to serve this with your chicken tikka masala. Just before serving, you should season to perfection with salt and pepper. Now we're ready to eat. I serve it with fluffy basmati rice, wonderful sourdough naan bread, sliced chilies, some fresh coriander / cilantro, and a dollop of raita on top. Yummy. So that's how you make chicken tikka masala. The naan bread that I had with this tikka masala was my own recipe for sourdough naan bread, which I'm linking in the card above. I hope you learned something today. See you next time.